Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting no licks in the band. Legacies.
What up, people? It's Mr. Something Basic, and I'm over here with the Stanley Leverlock tape measure. I'm sorry for sounding all slow like a retard. Yeah, the Leverlock 25-foot tape measure from Stanley's. Still a piece of shit. I got it free like 5 or 6 years ago. I think my dad was gonna throw it out in the trash can or something on the job site, and I was like, I'll take that. I don't know. It was free. You know what I mean? I needed a home tape measure, basically. I got like probably 5 or 6 free tape measures from Harbor Freight. I don't even know why I'm even gonna try to mess with this thing. I should just throw it out. But I don't know. Memorabilia? I don't know. Maybe, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I got it off my dad, I guess. I don't know. It's basically trash. I'm gonna open it up and see if I can bend like a spring or something to fix it. Basically, it doesn't stop. It's supposed to stop, but it doesn't stop. So I'm recording this just as, you know, just in case. I don't even know. I'm just gonna record this. If it works, I don't know. Maybe it might help somebody out from throwing away a tape measure, I guess, or I don't know. Basically, waste a couple minutes of your life watching my trash channel videos, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna open this up and see what happens. See if I can fix this fucking piglet. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna use this pretty cheap Black & Decker housewife drill thingy-majiggy. I got this for free too. So, alright, that ain't too bad. I opened up a couple tape measures in my day, so this is not the first time I ever opened up a tape measure. But I know when I open this up, I'm only going to have one hand to play around with, because the spool, whatever you want to call it, the center of this thing, if you let it go, the tape measure will go all over the fucking place, and then basically I'll just throw that in the trash. I'm going to fucking roll it up again. Alright, I'm going to take this center screw out, I guess. See if the center screw goes. So you got to take out 4 screws, even the screw that's for the belt clippy joint. Oh, yeah, much more easier now. That's it, now it's coming open. Yeah, whatever you do. Oh god. I don't know. I'm acting like I'm an expert here. But I'm thinking something like this. Q. Yeah, whatever you do, don't let go of this fucking thing, man. Once that joint gets unscrolled, it's gonna be a bitch. So, I don't fucking. And there is a spring. Bam! Nostradamus in this joint. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a spring back here. I think I'm gonna bend that, and hopefully that works. So basically, I'm gonna go like that. Damn, we got a little technique already. Somehow get this out of there. Get this piece out. Alright, so that joint's wore down, bruh. Wore down. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. What another Stanley's tape measure. Stanley's razor knife. You know what I mean? I like these joints. I actually own like 3 or 4 of these. Pretty easy access. You can push this button and the blade comes out. And you can store blades in this joint. I don't know why I'm doing this right now, but yeah. Store blades in this piglet. Pretty cool. You know what I mean? Stanley's is not it's not paying for this video or whatever. It doesn't sponsor me, but Stanley, some of the Stanley stuff is pretty good. Except the tape measure. Tape measure's crap. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I just want to clean some of this crud out of this piglet. I got it here. Like old, like fucking. Basically, it's fucking. Keep saying effing. Basically crud from like, I guess like wood dust, whatever you want to call it. Just want to get that out of the corners. I don't know. It's not gonna make it perform better, I guess. I just want to clean it. Weight reduction, bro. Weight reduction. Yeah. Act like I did this before. I already got the tools ready for it. So basically, I don't know if I did watch this thing. It's gonna explode on me. How am I gonna do this? It's just trash. pipe. I mean, I don't care if... I don't really care anyway, you know what I mean? Appreciate the deal, I guess. what happens, bro. See what happens. No, that's the truth, man. Am I throwing this free tape measure out in the trash? Dun, dun, dun. Okay, no, not holding it. Much better. Holy shit, it is actually fun. Alright. Some of my Stanley's tools that I got in my workshop. I do have more different. Bevel T, a bevel T something. I forget what they call it. Bevel T square, I guess. A bevel T square or something like that. I don't know. My other one gets used to death. This one only got used a little bit. Yeah, I just use this for like putting crown molding up and stuff like that. Like, you know, cuts that I need that I can't figure it out. You know what I mean? I don't really use this one too much, but the one that I got in my work bag, I used to death. It's not that I don't know how to cut stuff real good, but if you're doing tiles and it's got like a weird cut and stuff like that, you know what I mean? These come in handy. And even crown molding and baseboard and stuff like that, man. Sometimes I use that because it's playing the walls ain't square and shit. But that's basically all the stuff that's Stanley's that's in my workshop. I do have more, they're just not here. But Stanley's brand is pretty good, you know what I mean? They're reliable. Just some of their stuff that, you know, some of their stuff just falls apart a little bit, but I get my money out of it, you know what I mean? Let me stop ranting. Thanks for watching this stupid ass video. Hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I must have said this like 8 times. Yeah, man. You wasted your time watching this. You could have did something productive today. Okay. That's basically it, man. Leave a comment. Maybe give me some ideas of building something. Maybe I could build stuff, you know. I mean, I like long walks on the beach and stuff. If you wanna leave a comment and meet up and buy me lunch or something. That's basically it. I think in a couple weeks or so, I might start messing with my scooter. Good old Betsy outside. Poor Betsy. Should have brought her inside this winter. You know what I mean? My Kawasaki Ninja 300. I might take some parts off or whatever and do a couple little modifications. So stay tuned to that if you're into watching me fuck up my motorcycle. But that's basically it. I'm gonna end this video on a dumbass note. You know what I mean? It's snowing outside, I think, or it just got done snowing. I'm gonna see what this video looks like on the computer. Maybe edit a little bit. I don't know. Probably not. I'm not real big on editing and things. I'm actually terrible if you watch any of my other videos. That's basically it, bro. Thanks for watching.
Check this out.